day, everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the different sections of the library and to be informed about the location of each section of our school library. So, let's get started. Library versus e-library. What's the difference? The library is a collection of books used for reading and study, or the building or room in which such a collection is kept. It is derived from the Latin word liber, which means book, whereas a Latinized Greek word, bibliotheca, is the origin of the word for librao in German, Russian, and the Roman languages. While the e-library is a set of documents available through electronic means by the use of digital technologies that allow for the retrieval, archiving, preservation, and dissemination of documents. And now, here are the different sections of the Cayetano Arellano High School Library. This is the circulation section. This section houses and circulates the major library collection covering the different areas of discipline. This section adopts the open shelf system, where users can go directly to the shelf and choose the books they would like to browse or use. Next one is the reference section. This section helps the users identify and locate information through various reference materials such as dictionaries, encyclopedias, almanacs, bibliographies, atlases, gazetteers, yearbooks, indexes, annuals, handbooks, travel guides, and other reference materials. Next is the favorite part of the school library, which is the fiction section. This section includes a variety of well-selected stories and novels written by famous local and foreign authors that are available for recreational reading. Titles or books are categorized as classical, condensed, and bestsellers. Next is the reserve section. This section houses books which are in demand and limited in copies. Also, in-process books and newly acquired books. It adopts the closed shelf system. Users are not allowed to enter this section. They seek the assistance of the library staff or library assistants. Next is the Filipiniana section. This section is a repository of materials regarding the Philippines or either published within or outside the country, authored by a Filipino or foreign writers. This section includes books in the different fields of specialization. A collection of special Filipiniana books is also found in this section. And last but not the least, the periodical section. It is the place where needed information could be found in journals, magazines, newspapers, and other serial literature. Before we end this video, we are leaving you this quote from Harry Potter in the Chamber of Secrets. You can also check it out in our fiction section of our on-site library or e-library. That ends our video discussion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Till next time, bye!